Go, hey guys, all right. We're going to look at lesson 34, page 25. This is actually a little oral assessment or an assessment, but we're just going to do it as a seat worksheet today, okay? So let's look. Number one says, circle the letter you hear at the beginning of each word your teacher says. All right, so this is a turtle. Turtle. Let's look at the two letters here and circle the one that says t at the beginning of turtle. Good. All right, let's look right here at this ladybug. Ladybug. Circle the letter that says ol. Good. This is a picture of a bus. Bus. Which letter says b? Good. All right. This is a picture of a squirrel. Squirrel. Which letter says s? Good. This is a picture of a nest. Nest. Which letter says N for nest? This is a picture of a hippo. Hippo. Which letter says Good. Fill in the circle beside the blend you hear in these words. This is a picture of a top. Top. Which blend says ta? Good, this one. This is a picture of a hen. Hen. Which one says hen? Good. This is a picture of a bug. Bug. Which one says buh? Good. This is a picture of a moth. Moth. Which blend says ma? Very good. All right, guys. Enjoy your day.